Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to do a recipe suggested by Miss Carolyn, strawberry lemonade. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 8 lemons, a pint of strawberries, 5 cups of water, and 1.5 cups of sugar. We'll start by hulling and halving our strawberries. Then we'll add our 1.5 cups of sugar and smash our strawberries to macerate them. We'll allow them to macerate in the refrigerator with the sugar for about an hour. While the strawberries are macerating, we'll cut our lemons in half and juice them. After juicing our lemons, we'll add our 5 cups of water into a 2-quart pitcher. Then we'll strain our lemon juice through a cheesecloth lined sieve to remove any pulp. Then we'll stir our macerated strawberries to fully dissolve the sugar before filtering the simple syrup through our sieve to sweeten our lemonade. We'll stir this until well combined and serve chilled with ice. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.